This comprehensive approach aims to restore health and biologically rejuvenate the body, with the initial goal of reducing biological age by 15 years within a year and a half. For more information on how to get started, contact me directly. Do you want to be like me? Then you'll need to do what I do. The complex interplay between aging, DNA damage, and cellular processes reveals fascinating insights into how we might slow or reverse aging. At the heart of this understanding are three main categories of longevity genes: sirtuins, mTOR, and AMPK1, with sirtuins playing a particularly crucial role in maintaining cellular health and preventing aging. These proteins act as essential regulators in our cells, helping to maintain proper DNA organization and prevent cellular deterioration. Sirtuins are remarkable proteins that regulate DNA packaging and expression, essentially serving as cellular guardians. They prevent a process called X-differentiation, where cells lose their identity and begin to malfunction. Think of sirtuins as cellular librarians, keeping genetic information properly organized and accessible. When sirtuins function properly, they help maintain cellular identity and prevent the confusion that leads to age-related diseases. The loss of epigenetic information is a key mechanism driving cellular aging, and sirtuins work directly to prevent this loss. The relationship between DNA damage and aging isn't a one-way street. Research shows that aging can be controlled, slowed, or even reversed through various interventions that activate sirtuins. These interventions don't require genetic manipulation, but instead rely on natural mechanisms. For instance, fasting and exercise have been shown to activate sirtuins effectively. Other interventions include exposure to mild stresses, hormesis, through activities like cold exposure, which activates the body's defense and longevity pathways. Certain molecules found in supplements can also activate sirtuins, though the research emphasizes the importance of natural lifestyle interventions. A critical factor in aging is a process called glycation, which Dr. David Sinclair compares to caramelization of body tissues. When sugar molecules bind to proteins or lipids without enzymatic regulation, they form harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, AGEs. This process affects everything from skin elasticity to vascular health, leading to stiffness, inflammation, and oxidative stress. The sources of glycation extend beyond just added sugars to include natural sugars in fruits, flour that converts to glucose in the body, and notably, alcohol, which is particularly damaging. The interaction between glycation and sirtuins reveals multiple complex mechanisms. Glycation can impair sirtuin function through several pathways. High glucose intake reduces NAD+ availability, which sirtuins need to function properly. This occurs because elevated glucose levels promote glycolysis, converting NAD+ to NADH and lowering the NAD+ over NADH ratio. Additionally, AGEs generate reactive oxygen species that inhibit SIRT1 activity and disrupt mitochondrial efficiency. The cellular dysfunction caused by glycation manifests in several ways. AGEs interfere with normal cellular repair processes and activate pathways that accelerate aging. This is visible in the browning of cartilage in older adults compared to the white cartilage in children, illustrating the physical manifestation of glycation damage. The accumulation of AGEs in tissues contributes to widespread inflammation and oxidative stress, creating a cascade of cellular dysfunction. To combat these aging processes, several practical recommendations emerge from the research. 1. Time-restricted eating. Limit food consumption to a 6-hour window daily to promote lower blood glucose levels and activate repair mechanisms like autophagy. This strategy helps maintain optimal sirtuin function and reduces glycation damage. 2. Strategic meal ordering. Start with vegetables or fiber to create a buffer for glucose absorption, followed by proteins and fats, with carbohydrates last if at all. This approach helps minimize glucose spikes and reduces glycation potential. 3. elimination of harmful substances, remove refined sugars, flour, and alcohol from the diet, as these rapidly convert to glucose in the body. This is particularly important given their significant contribution to glycation and cellular damage. 4. Fasting strategies utilize the body's natural gluconeogenesis process, where the liver produces glucose internally, which appears to be less damaging than dietary sugar. This approach supports cellular repair mechanisms and promotes sirtuin activation. The research highlights a fascinating bidirectional relationship between glycation and sirtuins. While ages can impair SIRT1 activity, SIRT1 activation can help mitigate glycation damage. SIRT1 works through multiple mechanisms to counteract the glycation effects, including activating the antioxidant NRF2 pathway, which reduces reactive oxygen species and age-induced fibrosis. It also suppresses age receptors like RAGE, which mediate inflammation and oxidative stress. Furthermore, SIRT1 promotes mitochondrial health by deacetylating PGC1 alpha, which improves NAD plus regeneration and reduces harmful glycolytic byproducts like methyl glyoxal, a precursor to ages. This mitochondrial enhancement is crucial for maintaining cellular energy production and preventing age-related decline. Understanding these mechanisms provides hope for controlling the aging process. While aging has long been considered inevitable, these findings suggest that through careful management of diet, exercise, and other lifestyle factors, we can influence our biological age and potentially reverse some aspects of aging. The key lies in supporting our body's natural longevity pathways, particularly through the activation and proper functioning of sirtuins, while simultaneously minimizing the damage caused by glycation through targeted interventions and lifestyle modifications. This comprehensive approach aims to restore health and biologically rejuvenate the body, with the initial goal of reducing biological age by 15 years within a year and a half. For more information on how to get started, contact me directly. Do you want to be like me? Then you'll need to do what I do.